innovation's pretty scary for a lot of businesses. And funnily enough, when you're coming up towards a period of economic downturn in any period of time, and we go through these cycles, innovation is often the way that companies can sustain themselves. So instead of being a cost to the organisation, it's actually a protection of their interests. My name is Joanne Jacobs. I'm co-CEO with Gavin Heaton of Disruptors Co. We are a business that facilitates innovation from the inside out in large organisations, medium to large organisations. And everywhere I went, I could see opportunities for change. We are living through an extraordinary period in time where technology is creating incredible improvements in the way that we do business, in the way that we communicate as human beings. We work with a number of organisations, everything from commercial right through to government and non-profits. And because we have seen that range of businesses, we can see the things that are repeatable. We have a number of innovation methodologies. It's not just about hackathons, it's not just about accelerator programs. We have change workshops, we have a series of different, effectively what we call rapid prototyping, or fast change, fast testing of potential solutions. So regardless of whether the disruption is human, or whether it is environmental, or whether it is economic, or whether it is technological, political, economic, social, or technological, all of those ideas, all of those sources of disruption could actually be the reason why we can provide value.